Menteri Rangba kejela konrat ke sangma, nin kasmi palayu la plat bat Aiti ki arspa nyoteli ki kali ki niut, bayat da boarding elektrik, shaki block ba repair, jong ki southli ki district ka Ri-lum Khasi bat Jaintia. Kini ki kali ki di belamang na kabenta ki block ka East Jaintia Hills, West Jaintia Hills, East Khasi Hills, but Eastern West Khasi Hills. Menteri Rangba la plat kini ki kali hakajing dan ringkat usimbut Menteri Rangba ba asnyo bhalang dhar, Menteri ka kot ka khia kong amprin lingdo, Menteri Ketanat PHE Marcus and Marak bat QA. Haba ajin kren hakajing alang kabalalong hamadan kurkalang poirimbong, Menteri Rangba uloong bakathong jong ka Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, kabadai ka National Flagship Program ka Sarkar India, kalong penlong ya baro kisnong kumkisnong bakhoy bat baladon lut kipin khana. Menteri Rangba ulang benaru bahaga bas dang jong kani ka kuarter pemerintah, on sebu ya kawai kasngi haga baka Sarkar bat kipat ba, kinyami ban ya penkhoj ya kisor bat kisnong kithau. Lapin tip ru hakani kasngi, bayakum kani ka program on sepelong ru na kabenta ka Ri-lum garu.
Yeah. Come on, boss. Okay, good. It's in West District. Good. Very good. Chalo. You can do 1, 2, and 3. Yes.
All the best.
Yeah. Hold your. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
What's there for lunch?
You hold the real key. Okay. Great.
Okay.
The last one, the Mahindra officials want to take a snap.
If we don't have that goal, that conviction, that determination in us, we will never be able to achieve it. And hence, I call upon all our officials, political leaders, citizens of our state, that it is our duty to ensure that we all work together and achieve the different goals that we have set for our community, for our villages, for our district, and for our state. Today, the distribution of some of these vehicles is a great moment for us. It's one step forward once again to show that how the community and the government can work together. And if we work together, nothing is impossible. It's a message to all the people that this government believes in working hand in hand with the community. The strength of our state is the different communities that we have, the ownership of the community, the participation of the community. This is the strength of our state of Meghalaya. And hence, working on this strength, we would like to work together with the communities to achieve the different goals that we have set in front of us.